Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sign up for AliExpress dropshipping. Here on the screen you see a link that you should rewrite and search in your web browser. And when the page opens, you will see an option to join. So tap join button and you will be prompted to review the Dropshipping Center terms of service and data service authorization. Scroll through it and tap the checkbox to agree. And after doing that, AliExpress may ask you to fill in some personal information, or may not ask to do that, and tap submit button to save changes. And then you should get a confirmation from Dropshipping Center of AliExpress. And now go back to Dropshipping Center button, and you should see this page. And basically you have just signed up for AliExpress dropshipping. From here you can search hot selling products and use image search to match items. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.